All right, guys. So I want to believe that you've all understand this, and yes, and I want to believe that okay, now we have a product to, like now we have a product to sell. All right, now we want to sell a product. Okay, so now let us look at how our funnel should be like. All right, ads, right? Ads. So your ad contains a pre-sale. I will show you how what a pre-sale is. A pre-sale and creatives. All right, a pre-sale and creative. All right, then I will explain all of these. All right, so this is how our funnel should look like. All right, a pre-sale and a creative, a landing page, right? A landing page. All right, so now as a beginner, right, will be like, you can use, some people they use WhatsApp, they use email. All right, they use email. All right, but what I will be focusing on in this class is probably a WhatsApp. All right, your WhatsApp. So we are just trying to put together how, as in the process flow. All right, your WhatsApp. Then if you'll be doing maybe a class or a VSL, I will tell us what VSL is. Video sales letter. All right, then follow up, then sales. All right, sales. So this will be a VSL or webinar. All right, the webinar. Okay, so this is a simple funnel I've put together. All right, so some people will use maybe ads contain a pre-sale and creatives. All right, then a landing page. All right, a WhatsApp class. Okay, so you can use a WhatsApp class or a VSL. A VSL is a short video, all right, that contains the information. All right, like we call it video sales letter. All right, a short video that, okay, if you are using a WhatsApp, if you don't want to hold a WhatsApp class, all right, for that product, you can, when they come to your WhatsApp, you can just send to them. All right, okay, this is a video. All right, okay, let me put ad creative. Okay, let me put lead magnet here. How did I explain a lead magnet? A lead magnet. Did I explain a lead magnet? All right, so this is a funnel. I hope okay, maybe I should just do it like this so that you understand. I should be drawing it. WhatsApp. Oh, how do I make this? Okay, maybe I should use. Is there anything drawing here? Okay, I think let me put it this way. Landing page, WhatsApp, VSL, so sales. All right. So I think so I think the first thing here is your ads pre-sale. Your ad contain a pre-sale and creatives. All right. Creatives is okay. I'll show us creatives now. I'll show us how it looks like. All right. So your lead magnet. Your lead magnet is what you're using to attract these people. Is it a free class? Is it a free video? Is it a free ebook? Nigerians like something free. All right. If you tell them to come and pay instantly, they won't answer you. All right. If you read the book I shared with you, you understand all of this. All right. You don't tell people, like when people we all see advert online. If they tell you, this thing is 10,000 naira, you won't opt in. But you will join because they tell you, okay, there's a free class or there's a free ebook or there's a free video that will guide you. You understand? So that is a lead magnet. All right, that's a lead magnet, something to give these people in exchange of their contact. All right, we call it a bait. All right, something to give them so as to get them to take some actions. Okay, so I can tell you, okay, if you're interested in this product, okay, I have a free ebook that will guide you and tell you, just click on the link below to take you to my WhatsApp. Then I'll give you the ebook. All right. So what I just did there is that, okay, I want their contact. I want them saved on my WhatsApp because I know that if I have them now on WhatsApp, I can consistently, follow them up. They'll be viewing my status, or if it is my class, I can follow them up and, okay, maybe when they are done watching the video, or if I'm hosting a webinar, all right, if I'm hosting a webinar, then I can get them to take actions. All right, this is just like you building your WhatsApp. So there's this thing like you have to, if you're using WhatsApp, you have to build your WhatsApp contact list. Okay. All right. So you have to build your WhatsApp contact list. All right. So you follow up. Sometimes I've used a funnel like, okay, from my ads, I give them a lead magnet like a free class to my landing page. All right, so they went to my landing page. From there they come to my WhatsApp. From my WhatsApp I hosted a class. So for my class I started doing follow up until they eventually buy. All right, so if you are selling ebook, right, maybe like 1k ebook or 2,000 naira ebook, all right, you don't need to host a class or whatever. Your funnel will just be like your ads, your pre-sale, your creatives. All right, you might not need a lead magnet because it's just a 2,000 naira something. All right, they come to your landing page. All right, your funnel might just be maybe ads, and your landing page might just be your seller, your seller, what's it called, page where they will just buy. All right, so but from your landing page you have put up your sales letter. All right, then put sales page. All right, sales letter. All right, you have put your sales letter there. So you tell them to, if they want to get this book now, they should click on this. Then from there it takes them to your seller page and they make purchase there. That's another funnel. So you need to understand that different funnels work for different products. All right, so with time you need to be very creative about this. Sales funnel building is like a skill on its own, and it requires critical thinking. All right, like, okay, what will work for these things? Okay, now if I want to sell this Canada relocation, now I know that I've not been to Canada before and I don't really know I've not tried their education relocation or whatever before. So I know that, okay, I might not be able to host a class for this, but this person will have a free video, all right, or a webinar. I think she usually hosts a webinar or a free video. All right, so my lead magnet will just be from my ad pre-sale creative. My lead magnet will be maybe a free webinar, all right, or a free video that explain step-by-step guide how to relocate to Canada without IELTS. All right, so when they see that, they want to know more, they come to my landing page and they read about all of these things, and then they come to my WhatsApp. Then I save their contacts and I send them the VSL, the video. If there's a video, I send them the video. If there's a webinar, then I will add them to the webinar group, so that when it's time for the webinar, I'll keep dropping reminders. Then I'll to eventually get them to attend the webinar. So after the webinar, I start following up. All right. So these are different skills entirely that a salesperson needs to master. All right. You can go on YouTube or whatever to learn more about lead magnet, follow-ups, things like that. All right. So that's just basically what this is. All right. So if I want to promote maybe an affiliate, the affiliate this thing now, I might use a webinar. But you as a beginner, learning how to use a webinar is another, skill entirely. All right. So I might use a webinar. All right. A webinar, or maybe a WhatsApp class or a VSL. All right. But right now, VSL webinar works really well. But as a beginner, or probably you are doing maybe Amazon KDP stuff, you might use a class. All right. Or you might use a VSL. So you just need to know, okay, if the course you are selling or the product you are selling, if you be doing the affiliate thing, you might have a VSL. All right. And with time, you can as well create your own. All right. You can as well create your own. So how do you follow up content to your WhatsApp? You can follow up if you have a WhatsApp group. You can follow up in your group. You can use your your WhatsApp status. All right. So there's this. Let me make another example, so this funnel thing might be clear. All right. So like I work with a startup. They are into forex. Forex, money institution, financial institution, or whatever. So they needed people to sign up to their program. $300. You need $300 to sign up for their product. All right. So what I did, how I built that funnel was that, okay, I had a pre-sale. I had my ad. I told you what ads contain. All right. So I had my ad. So from my ad, my lead magnet was that, okay, if you join this webinar, we actually use a webinar. If you join this webinar, there's a $500 worth of gifts for you. All right. I say it's a free webinar, then you get $500 worth of gifts. All right. So they came to the landing page. From there, they click on the landing page. They read about, okay, let me finish it. So they read about the webinar and all. So what I did was that I first make them to sign up. We call it opt-in. All right. We call it opt-in. I don't want to make it too complicated. Somehow. It should be here, opt-in. Let me use opt-in / WhatsApp. All right. So I made them sign up first to an email. Then if they sign up to an email, it will redirect, after signing up, after getting their email, it will redirect them to a WhatsApp. So from the WhatsApp, I will automatically have an autoresponder that will send them to the group, to a group. So from the group, then I'll be sending them reminder on webinar. So what I did there was that I'll send them an email, I will send them a WhatsApp. All right. So some people, maybe they might not respond, they might not open. If you don't open WhatsApp, or if you don't open the group to read the message, at least you'll receive a mail. So after the webinar, then a follow-up. So that was how I built that funnel. So you just have to, think and, think of what will work for that product. All right. So, but basically, this is how I go about my own funnel. All right. I think 15 minutes is up. All right, so I'll continue from here.